Hello friends, today we have a ratio problem in which we have A ratio B ratio C will be equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 and we need to find A square plus B square plus C square over AB plus BC plus CA. Most of the students mess this up. Pause the video and try it yourself. I'm going to use two methods to solve this problem. One will be the simple method, the other one will be the trick method. So let's start the simple method. So first of all, we know that A ratio B ratio C that will be equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. So I can define the variable. When I define the variable, I will get A will be equal to 2x, B will be equal to 3x and C will be equal to 4x, where x is a common factor that we have. Now I'm going to compute the numerator that we have, that is a square plus b square plus c square. I'm going to substitute the value. When I substitute the value, I will get 2x whole square plus 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. We know that 2x whole square will be 4x square, 3x whole square will be 9x square, and 4x whole square will be 16x square. When we combine these all, I will get 29x square. Now we are going to compute the denominator, and the denominator is AB plus BC plus CA. I'm going to substitute the value of A, B and C. When I substitute the value, I will get 2x multiplied by 3x plus 3x multiplied by 4x plus 4x multiplied by 2x. When we simplify this, I'm going to get 6x squared plus 12x squared plus 8x squared. When we further simplify this, we are going to get 26x squared. Now I'm going to substitute the value of numerator and the denominator. I will get 29x squared over 26x squared. We know that x squared will cancel with x squared. So we will get 29 over 26. This is our final answer. Now I'm going to use the trick method. We know that A ratio B ratio C will be equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. So I can directly write A will be equal to 2, B will be equal to 3, C will be equal to 4. Now I'm going to substitute this value into the expression that we have. When we substitute the value, we are going to get 2x square plus 3x square plus 4x square over 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2. When we further simplify this, we are going to get 4 plus 9 plus 16 over 6 plus 12 plus 8. We know that when we simplify the numerator, I'm going to get 29, and when we solve the denominator, I will get 26. So this is our final answer. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.